Hi guys, chicken stew. Have you tried this out? And this is so delicious. Can you see how I'm going to enjoy my chicken stew? This stew, you can use it for your plantain, for your yam, for everything you wish to use. And if you want to know how I prepare this, kindly follow us to this video. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Mother's Creativity. You are highly welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be making chicken stew. Oh my god, it has been a while I eat chicken stew. So this chicken stew have just, I won't say it has been calling my name because I don't know what you guys will think about that. So this chicken stew have just been calling me. I decided to answer this chicken stew. So if you want to know how I'm going to prepare this chicken stew, don't forget to stay tuned from the starting to the end of this video so that you see how delicious this chicken stew is going to come out. If you are new, you are just watching, you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. And subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. You will never regret it. In this channel, we do food recipe, as you are just seeing it right now. We do skincare, to how to maintain our face. We also upload lifestyle sometimes and other things you wish to see into this channel. So, and for my returning subscribers, thank you guys. I do really appreciate you for always coming back to watch my video. I do really appreciate you guys. And without taking much of your time, guys, let's just roll into this video. First of all, this is the chicken I'm going to be using. This is hard chicken. I love hard chicken. I don't know how many of us like this. I'll just rinse my pot out and put my pot on the fire, and this is the chicken I'm going to be using, as I earlier said. So I'm going to pour everything inside. I do call it chicken stew, but I will not forget this meat because this is how I want to eat this stew. Like, I want to add this meat. I don't know how many of us know this meat. This is just a vein. You can see it. So I will just add it. It's just for me. I love this so much because it don't really have fat anyway. So before we go ahead, I will take my blender, and we are going to be blending the ingredients we are going to be adding into this chicken. I will slice my onions, and this is a little bell pepper. Let me take this, I don't know if you guys can see it, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, and 2 seeds of garlic, and 1 seed of Maggi cube. And remember, I'm just blending it for the meat. And this is my rosemary leaf. I'm going to be blending it along with it. I do use blended ginger, and this is my tomato that, so although we have not introduced all the ingredients, I'm just trying to do this so that we'll place the meat on fire and we'll go ahead with the rest ingredients. This is the rinsing of my tomato. I will use the water to blend it. You know, we don't waste anything. So I will go ahead and blend this 1. This is to cook the chicken. I'm going to, and this is the ingredients of the chicken that you saw me slicing. Then I'm going to pour it. I'm going to whisk it and put it. I will add my salt. You can see my gas is on already. So we will allow this to cook for some minutes. As we allow the chicken to be cooking, we will go ahead with the rest ingredients. So this is my bell pepper, red bell pepper, and green pepper, and the two scotch bonnet pepper, and 2 onions, the red onions and white onions. And this is my vegetable oil. This is my vegetable oil. This is my chopped onions for the stew. And this is my steamed tomato. Steamed tomato, you can use any tomatoes of your choice. And this is my curry powder. This is my curry powder. And salt, black pepper, ginger, and rosemary. You know I always like mixing them together. It's 1 Maggi cube that I will be using for the stew. And before adding salt, you just have to test your stew. Maybe I will add this salt, maybe I will not be adding it, because cooking your meat with all those ingredients, salt, everything, before adding anything like salt again, you just have to confirm if your stew needs salt. This is the 2 fish I'm going to be putting. I didn't want to add anything, but I just want to add this because of Serenity. She loves fish. So guys, these are the ingredients. Just give it a stir so that the ingredients will enter into the chicken or meat. So you can see we just stir everything together. We are going to leave it to cook very well because this is really a hard chicken. So see you guys when the chicken is ready. So before the meat will get ready, I'm going to blend the rest ingredients that needs to be blended. This is all the things we are going to be blending. You can see, you know. Unless I forget, I'm going to be blending crayfish. Add to it because I don't have blended crayfish anymore. I'm going to be adding it to all the ingredients that I'm going to blend right now. I'll just go ahead and whisk it out. Welcome back, guys. Oh my goodness, you can see the chicken have been cooking. This chicken is very hard and you have to leave it for a long time to cook. So I will go ahead and remove it from the water. This chicken, I'm going to fry some of it and I'm not going to fry some. That is how I love my chicken. Keep it outside. I will place my pot of stew on top of the fire. So guys, my pot is dried up now. I'll go ahead and add my vegetable oil. But you know I don't want my oil to be too hot before adding my onions because you get burnt quick when the oil is too hot. I'll add it now. remove the onions. I just fry it a little. You can see I just fry it, and I will continue with the frying of the meat. I'm not going to be frying everything. I'm going to fry some and leave some. My pre-fried onions. This is the reason why I fry out the onions before. I don't want it to burn the onions, so I just fry it out, and it's very fresh at this moment, so you can see it. This is my steamed tomato. After taking time, I will also add my blended pepper, onions, crayfish, everything that have been blended. I will add all of them. We are going to cover it now for it to cook for some minutes before adding the rest ingredients. And this is my fried chicken. It's not too dry. This is how I want it, and this is my fresh chicken that I did not fry as well. So everything is here. So guys, you can see this will be cooking for some minutes now. We'll go ahead and add the rest ingredients. We'll add our Maggi cube. I will add my rosemary leaf, ginger and black pepper. So I will add my curry powder, because you know I didn't boil the meat with any curry powder. I will add a little thyme, although I don't really like too much thyme. I didn't cook my meat with thyme and curry powder, so I'm going to stir everything together. My meat stock, I'm going to pour it right now. Stay tuned, and the remaining ingredients is just salt. We are going to keep it because I don't know if we are going to be putting it or not, because we have salt already in our meat stock, and we just have to wait. If in case we need any salt, we can add it later. So guys, you can see my, oh my god, this have been cooking for a while. You can see the stew is almost done. You can see how it's bobbing. When your stew started bobbing like this, is almost ready to. I will be adding my chicken, the one I did not fry. This is my fried chicken. Can you see this, guys? Yes. And this is my fish. I didn't allow the fish to dry too much, so I'm going to be adding the fried chicken now. I will stir before adding the fish. I don't want the fish to scatter. I don't want the fish to get lost inside this stew. I will add the fish at last. We are going to taste it for salt. This is good. I will just add a little salt. I won't be adding all of them. That is okay. We will leave it to cool less than 15 minutes. So guys, this is the end of this video. Can you see our chicken stew? Can you see this? If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy what you just watched, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you have been watching, you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You will never regret this. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.